So I think we got the Weltime project pretty much finished. Wow, 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 wow. Don't know why I did that. So we can put it back in the case. Right. So it goes this way up. Like that. Great aim. And I'll put these on. And I'm going to set the regulator to halfway. See how it performs. If it's gone even faster, then I'll be super perplexed. But hopefully it'll be a bit slower. And ideally, actually, it'll be perfect. But I don't know. A bit much to ask for, I think, at this time. Gotta sort that dent out actually. If anyone's been noticing this, I just literally noticed it now. So I'll just sort that out. Probably make someone happy. There we go. Nice. Alright, that's peace of mind. Let's put the front on. I'm not going to bend these tabs because I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to be bent. So I'll stick that on there like that. Get one of the hands on. Do my old procedure of hands that everyone loves. Alright, 12 o'clock. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but these hands are painted with some sort of matte black. It's really weird. You don't often see that on clocks, to be honest. Well, not the ones I've worked on. It's like matte paint. Because usually they're just sort of normal paint, but this is like chalky, like blackboard kind of stuff. I'd say no, I think about it. I probably have said that. Right, is this correct? Can we get a 3? Oh no, what have I just done? It's that face that tilts. I know the alarm goes off at 2 now. How about that? Okay, what will it be? 5 o'clock? Oh, nearly. Oh, actually, looking at the hand itself, it is not quite on 5, so I think we got that pretty much nailed. And I know when I first got this off, that little thing was at the bottom, right, perfectly lined up. However, it was not originally like that, because this is the point where it was painted. And therefore, I think it should be this way up, like that. It doesn't look as good, but I think that's how it was originally. So, to me, it's just as good, if not better. So let's hear it and regret we did. There we go. Weird, well-timed clock, which I'm probably not going to see another one in the flesh. You see quite a few on the internet, but whether I'm going to run along another one is not certain. But yeah, I really like the look of this. It's like sort of bulky. It's like a thick West clocks.